Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Clear Voice English. Today, we're diving into a real-life English conversation scenario, visiting a friend in the hospital. It's a situation where showing you care is just as important as the words you choose. So, let's practice together. Imagine walking into a hospital room and seeing your friend. You'd probably start with something like, "Hey, I came as soon as I heard. What happened to you?" "Oh, hey, thanks for coming. I was in a car accident yesterday. It was pretty scary, but I'm doing okay now." Notice how the conversation starts with immediate concern. This sets a supportive tone. Your friend might be a bit shaken, so listening is key. You might ask about their injuries to understand their situation better. "A car accident? That's terrible. Are you all right? The nurse just said you were stable." "Yeah, I'll be fine. The doctor said it was a clean break in my leg, so no surgery, which is a huge relief. I just have to stay here for about a week to make sure everything heals properly." Hearing clean break is reassuring. It helps both of you feel a little less anxious. But recovery still involves challenges, like pain. It's thoughtful to ask about their comfort. "A whole week? Wow. That's a long time to be stuck in here. Does it hurt much?" "It did at first, but they've given me some pretty good medication, so the pain is under control. It's more boring than anything else. I'm hoping I can go home by next Monday." Setting a timeline like next Monday is great for morale. It gives your friends something to look forward to. Now, think about how you can make their stay more comfortable. This is where you can offer practical help. That's good to hear. "Well, is there anything I can bring you to make the time go by faster? Maybe some books or your favorite snacks." "Oh, that would be amazing. I'd love a good book. And some chips would be a dream right now." Honestly, just having you visit helps a lot. It gets lonely. This request shows how much social support matters. Small comforts and friendly faces can make a huge difference in a sterile hospital environment. Your role as a visitor is to provide that emotional boost. "Of course, I'll bring you a few books and a bag of snacks tomorrow. And I'll stop by every day after work to keep you company. You won't be alone, I promise. Thank you so much." That really means a lot to me. And that's a wrap on our conversation practice. See how a mix of empathy, practical offers, and reassurance can create a supportive and healing environment. It's all about being a good friend. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Clear Voice English for more real-life English lessons. Let us know in the comments what other situations you'd like to practice. See you next time.